Thanks very much for staying with us, letting you the live updates of the polling that is underway in 144 wards in the Kolkata civic elections. But violence has hit the civic polls as the BJP now is claiming that their booth agents are also being threatened allegedly by the TMC workers in the city. BJP's Amit Malviya has claimed that a bomb also exploded outside the Sialdah station in Kolkata, where around 23,000 Kolkata police personnel that have already been deployed across the city. Let me go across to Bhaskar and Visakha, who are joining us live this afternoon. Bhaskar, to you first. The voter turnout has been recorded over 18% till around 11 a.m. and also reports of violence that are also being coming across. Can you give us an update?
Absolutely, Amita. And right now, the biggest update here in Bengal is that BJP, the main opposition party in West Bengal, they are going to stage a protest against the killing of democracy, as they are saying, during the Kolkata municipal poll. And right now, I am just in front of Rajabajar Science College, which is a polling booth, and several polling booths are in there. And I would like to show you first the security arrangements made by Election Commission and Kolkata Police here. At the first tier, there are armed police personnel, and thereafter so many police personnel deployed here, and then the voters can go to the polling booth. But from several polling booths, there are allegations coming up from BJP that there have been forged votes, there have been proxy votes, and in so many cases, BJP agents and other opposition party agents have been heckled by the ruling party's agents and other workers. And right now, I would like to take you inside the polling station, and I would like to show you that there are so many polling stations and so many voters are in there. There are at least 4 to 5 polling booths. But another allegation is coming up here, that there are so many proxy voters are giving proxy votes inside the polling stations. And the presiding officer, the polling officers, we were talking to them a few minutes back, and they're claiming that there is no as such things happening here, but they will surely speak up to the sector officer, the higher level election commission officer regarding this matter, and look at the scenes. In the polling booths, a few minutes ago, there are so many crowds here and there, and they're claiming that they're the genuine voters, but opposition parties like BJP, they're claiming that there are so many proxy voters are in there, and the violence during the poll also took place in several parts of Kolkata. And the BJP, the main opposition party in West Bengal, they are going to stage a protest dharna after a few minutes from now in all over the West Bengal against this kind of election. As they are saying, there is a killing of democracy during the Kolkata municipal poll, and they are going to show protest against this. Amita.
All right, Visakha, because as what is being pointed out by Bhaskar, that the BJP is trying to also hold a dharna there, but there has also been a crude bomb explosion that has also been reported. One voter is said to be injured. This is coming at a time when the ruling Trinamool is fighting to retain the civic board for the 3rd consecutive term.
Yes, Amita, you are absolutely correct. And whenever we can see that before these polls started, the BJP had questioned the state police and Kolkata police because they were not at all convinced by the security they are trying to give these Kolkata civilians at the time of these polls. So when it is, we can see that several allegations are being recorded in different wards of the 144 wards in this Kolkata municipal election. So when this crude bomb hurled in Sialdah, near Sialdah, and as it has been reported and tweeted by Amit Malviya already, we can see that there are isolated scenes of violence all over. And I am standing in Koshba constituency in 67 ward, and where the CPIM candidates have allegedly said that false voters are coming in, and there are proxy voters and false voters who are giving false votes from 66. They are moving to 67 ward and some other wards also. When the candidates are catching them red-handed, they are saying that they are genuine voters, they are not the false voters. And when we came to know about the fact, we asked the police personnel, we asked the election commission personnel. They have said that there has not been any case registered under these allegations or regarding these allegations, as the CPIM candidates or the agents are saying, or they are alleging. They have denied the fact that they are saying that
Right.
everywhere the election is being free and fair, and there is no such occurrence in this situation. But the opposition leaders or the candidates are saying the same and alleging the same, that there are false voters, that there are some proxy voters, and they are questioning the law and order situation in these poll days by the Kolkata police and the state police. Amit.